Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video we will talk about Instagram stories. So whenever we post Instagram stories, we have an option to mention someone in our Instagram story, that we can tag someone in our Instagram stories. Either you can do it while posting our stories or once it is posted. We also have an option once it is posted, there is an option as a mention. But what, like, the main question here is, can we undo this? Either you have done mistakenly or you have tagged and that person is not liking that, you want to remove that person from the tagged list. So the answer is no. In Instagram stories we don't have any such feature that you can undo this or you can uh, untag that person. But there are few possibilities that you can do. For example, if you have tagged someone but you don't want that person to see, immediately you can block them, and once that story will get expired, you can unblock and you can follow that person. Or you have to wait for 24 hours. Automatically after that, that story will get expire. Or the third option is, you can delete that story and you can post a new fresh story. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.